friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through few videos on VGGFace2 model. I have been struggling a lot for this model. We have gone through some videos such as face detection using VGGFace2, then face recognition, then face verification, then face match, face comparison, face recognition with MTCNN and VGGFace2. Our latest video. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about face verification using VGGFace2 model. So let us go through the program first. So I use Matplotlib Sky for this thing. Then keras is in VGGFace2 model. Keras is 101% it will be there in VGGFace2 model. Keras. Then MTCNN is used, model is used, and we need to do face verification. So here we can say faces match if it is less than this thing, and embedding and this thing, verify the photos of Sharon. That is now I have taken two images, that is Sanjay and Sanjay 1. We can see here ResNet is used for image. We have seen one video on ResNet. It is used for image classification, and keras is used. So both are used. We have seen one video on that. Now I will execute the program. So it should come face match because this image is there and this both the images are of same person. So I will execute the program. Yes. Yes, face match is there. We can see here face match is there because both the images are of same person. Now I will take another image. Here we can see face Sanjay and Sanjay 1 are of same person. Now I will take the image of this lady. See what happens. Face will not match. Now it should come face not match. See what happens. Yes, face is not match. Fine. So I successfully done with face verification using VGGFace2 model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace2 model. I have been struggling a lot for that. I am struggling on MTCNN also. Fear and deface I was very easy, and FaceNet I tried more videos on FaceNet also. So for latest update about different models, CNN model, we have seen one video on CNN model, that is facial emotion recognition using CNN model. That was very nice idea. So for latest update about machine learning using Python, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.